I'm going to demonstrate how to sharpen a cutter for a Norwalk juicer, and the first thing you need is a clean, fine-toothed file, and there's a special brush for cleaning a file. If you haven't done that already, you just go with the grain of the file. Now, to sharpen a cutter, you first start on the side, and between 5 and 10 swipes with a fine-tooth file, I usually do 6 or 7. Then you rotate the cutter to expose the next cutter blade. Again, on the side, 5 to 10 swipes. Now, very few on the top, but because the top has a slight curve, you want to very gently adjust it as you file it so that it follows the curve. Until it's razor sharp. Let's do one more. I'm only going to do a few of these because I don't want this video to be too long. Rotate the cutter, tighten it down on the side. Then again on the top, remembering there's a slight curve, so you follow the metal with a little bit of a twist until it's beautiful, razor sharp. So there you have it. I'm only going to do those two. I don't want this video to be too long. I hope you found that useful.